Hi, I'm Professor Dunsmore. I'm a computer science professor at Purdue University, and I want to talk to you about teamwork and working together as a team. And that's particularly appropriate for me because in our department, I am in charge of what is called software engineering. Now, you may not have heard of that before, but you certainly have heard of programming, writing computer programs. What's the difference? Well, programming is what one person does. But software engineering is done by a team of software developers. And why do we do software engineering? Well, because if you want to write the next TikTok or the next Instagram, you can't ask one person to do it because it would take her maybe a year or more, and you can't wait that long. So what you do is you form a team of 4 to 6 software developers, and they get together and they write the software, usually in just a matter of a couple of months, 2 or 3 months. So the reason for having teams in software engineering is because we can get software written much more quickly. And the other thing we find is that by having a team of people, each one can use their strengths. So if somebody's really good at making graphical user interfaces, he can do that. And other people can do the things that they're strong with. But what are the issues with teams? Well, what we find here at Purdue in our freshman class is that teams have some issues in working together. Number one, they're used to being on teams, softball teams and track teams and things like that, but not technical teams. So they're not used to communicating with each other, letting each other know what they're doing, asking what other people are doing, making sure that everything that they're doing is going to fit together, because what they're doing is making a great big puzzle, and each of them are making their own puzzle pieces, and they're going to put them together at the end. But they've got to communicate with each other. The other issue is we find that sometimes people just don't get along. They don't like each other. Well, that's okay. You don't have to like your teammate in order to do a good job producing software with that person. You just simply communicate with them, let them know what you're doing, they let you know what they're doing, and they're able to work together with you. So if you get a chance to do something like this, then you want to remember this, and that is you want to communicate with your teammates. And the other thing that I haven't mentioned is if you say that you're going to do something, make sure that you do it. That's important in teamwork.